to make an origami crane. First, use paper that is square. So I took regular printer paper and folded it diagonally so that I could cut off the excess, which would make a square. Now that I have a square, I have to fold the paper diagonally both ways. Unfold that, then fold the paper in half on both sides. Unfold that again. I took two corners and held them together, then flattened the other two sides to make this sort of shape. Next, fold one corner of the top flap in so that it looks like this and makes a somewhat right angle, and do the same to the other side. Take the top and fold it down to make a triangle. Turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. Unfold only the top layer of what you just folded, pulling from the bottom up, and in this case, the top would be where you previously folded the triangle. Open it and fold the sides into the paper that you just unfolded like this. Then flip it over and do the same. It should look like this with the triangle in between the two sides. Now take one of the sides with the triangle still at the top and fold it in again to the middle to look like this. Flip it around and do the same thing to the other side. The bottom should be separated in half. Since they're separated, you could flip up each side at an angle, like this. Do this to both sides. Turn the crane to the side and open it slightly. Fold the legs inside the opening so that the creases fold similarly and the head is now attached to the body as shown. Do this to both sides. Now take one side and fold down a small piece to make a head shape. Fold down the wings as well. Now you have a paper crane.